Hey guys, welcome back to Guyanese Cooking with Raydas. You know, we like to try new things in the kitchen here. We're trying this new seasoned rice. It's a Nigerian style rice, Jollof rice. It's a seasoning mixed with the rice. We also have looks to me like barbecue style chicken, but what is the official seasoning you use?
Portuguese style sauce, homemade.
Homemade style Portuguese sauce goes on that. Of course, we just clean wash, season it with regular seasoning, and then we add the Portuguese style sauce. I guess she made it homemade style, so that's our jar. All right. And one last supporting dish, we have some ribs. We also baked some ribs. Alright guys, Guyanese Cooking with Raydas. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a lot guys. Thanks for watching and taking your time out of your day to see what we're doing. Put ups.